So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate caption for your African folktale stories. After you must have generated your script using the chat GPT, generate your prompt, and generate your image using the Meta AI. You've done the editing, you've converted the image and the script, you've converted it into a video using the CapCut app. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can now caption your videos. You know, one of the best way, like I said in the last video where I showed how you can edit your African folktale using CapCut. Like I said, one of the best way to make sure your audience have the better understanding of what your video is. If an audience couldn't hear your voice, the audience will surely see on the screen what you are saying. So it makes the audience to like have a better understanding of what your video entails, what your story is all about. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can caption your video using the Blink app. Because this Blink app, you can still use it as a free app. But the CapCut app of recent, all of the features, some pro features, some are free features we are using as a video creator has been turned into pro feature. So you wouldn't be able to like caption your African folk tales with CapCut anymore because the subtitle, the caption feature has been turned into a pro feature. Yeah, it has been turned into a pro feature. So I will be showing you how you can use the Blink app to create caption for your African folk tales. So yeah, but before I dive into the video, if this is your first time watching from this channel, I am 𝗘𝗘𝗦𝗚 and you are welcome to the Design Tech of YouTube channel. Please subscribe on the channel and put on the notification bell. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So yeah, this is what the Blink app. The Blink app, which I said earlier, we are going to be using for generating the caption for our African folktale video. This is how the first interview of the apps look like. So once you have opened the app, you click on the plus icon here. After clicking on the plus icon, you will see we have auto caption. So you click on auto caption. Then you select the video you want to caption, which is this video.
In a vibrant village,
So after selecting, I believe you want to create for English. Your caption should be English. You are not creating any other language. Though you can change the language, you can say we have different language, but I believe you are using English. So after you must have selected the language you want to use, then you click on add English caption. Then you see the caption being generated like this with AI. So captioning your video with. So you have to wait for some minutes. So yeah, the caption has been generated. You can see on the screen. You can see the caption has been generated, so you can see that. So the next thing which we'll have to do, remember our caption is generated with AI. AI will sometimes work correctly. It depends on what AI hears. It is not human being. It is not human being. It is how your sound looks that it will generate for you. Listen to this.
In a vibrant
village, Neizud, not a Neizu, which is what this generated. So now, how are we going to edit this? How are we going to filter out all the things that are not corrected, all the words that are not corrected? To do this, you click on edit text here. Once you click on edit text, you have this interface. In a vibrant village, this is Neizud, not Nezu. So you edit this, 𝗧𝗘𝗦𝗏. So yeah, just like this. So between forest lived a skilled hunter named Juma. Juma was known for his bravery, not being free, for his bravery. So you change all the words that are not corrected. You change it manually. And bravery and sharp instincts. But he was also humble and kind-hearted. The villagers admired him not only for his hunting powers, but also for his wisdom and generosity. So now we are done editing this. Remember, your caption should be here, not at the center of the video. Should be place it where I place this should be here, not at the center of the video. So place it like this. Then looking at this, you can see we have some text, we have some words in yellow, we have some in white. So yeah, to do this is called highlighting. When you are creating caption, there are some vital keywords, there are some vital key points you want your audience to note, you want them to know about. So yeah, you click on highlight here. Then you see all these words. You can see some words are selected, some are not selected. Those ones that are selected are the one in yellow. Vibrant, I think, is a key point, is a vital keyword here. Village, next to rolling hills, lush, forest, lift, skilled hunter, Juma. This none is not needed. For his bravery, sharp instinct, a humble and kind-hearted. So you just selected those vital points, those key points you want your audience to note in your video. Select them. Then that will be. Then we have style as well. We have style here. The color you want it to be, you can make it green if that's what you want. You can make it any color of your choice. You can see I changed it from yellow to green. So just like this. Super size. Those are key points. Those ones you are highlighted, you can give them super size.
He was also humble and kind-hearted. The villagers admired
So
him.
you can see the size of this of the word highlighted is in the size is more bigger than that in white. So that is super size. But I don't like that. I don't buy to that idea of using this. So I'm not using that. So yeah, the next thing is to move to style. Style here, you can see we have different presets. These are different presets you can use. We have caption, we have custom. You can create your custom preset as well. Next is the font, different font. When creating your caption, don't use font will be hard for your audience to read. Use readable font. Readable font that will be easily read, that your audience can easily see. Use those fonts. Next we have style. And talking about style, we have the color of the text, which is this white. We can change the color, but white is okay. I believe white is okay. So yeah, you can reduce the size as well, but don't reduce the size too much to the extent that your audience will not see the caption. Now reducing the size like this, and I want to watch your video, I will have to be forcing myself before I see what is on the screen. That is not okay. Make the size big enough to make it easily readable for your audience. And here we have capitalization. Do you want it to be in capital letter all through? Do you want it to be in small letter all through? Do you want it to be in capital, small letter all through? So that is what capitalization is. And we have this alignment, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. So use the center alignment. I believe that is okay. We have stroke. If you want to add stroke, background to your caption, we have shadow. I like the one we did earlier, format, so you can navigate through all these things. Do you want it to be single word, where every word will be popping up one by one?
Only for his 𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗪, but also for his wisdom and generosity.
So do you want it to be single word or multiple word? You can put it on single and make it two.
In a vibrant village.
But I believe this is okay and put it on one. In a vibrant village, next to it, so put it on one, which is multiple words. And here we have animation. We have different kind of animation. I believe this default animation is okay, which is the fading animation. And there are sometimes that when you generate your caption, you might see it you might see it in this format. You can see that dynamic movement, bending. That is dynamic rotation. So this dynamic rotation, once you disable it, it will be straight all through. It will be straight all through. So with this, we've generated our caption, our African folktale caption, using the app Blink app. Once you are done creating the caption, just click on export here. Click on export and switch from original quality to HD quality, so that after exporting your video, the quality will be okay. And then you click on continue exporting to export your video.
In a vibrant village, nestled between rolling hills and lush forest, lived a skilled hunter named 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗓. 𝗪𝗪𝗪 was known for his bravery and sharp instincts, but he was also humble and kind-hearted. The villagers admired him not only for his 𝗘𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪, but also for his wisdom and generosity.
So yeah, that is not how you can use the Blink app for the generation of caption for your African folktale stories. If this video helps you and really entails what the video is all about, give this video a like so that the algorithm can push it to more viewers who may also be interested in the video, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Don't forget to put on the notification bell for more helpful video like this, so that you can get notified whenever I upload helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.